बैंड्रा गर्ल।
Yeah.
आपका बचपन कैसे गया? अब हम देखते हैं बैंड्रा को काफी कैफेज आ गए हैं,
हाँ
काफी
बिल्कुल,
कुछ
वैसे
बदल
कुछ
गया
भी
है।
नहीं था पहले। आई डोंट थिंक वाज एनीथिंग लाइक दैट, इट वाज ऑल बैंड्रा का एक वाइब था एक्चुअली। इट वाज मिडिल क्लास स्वीट, आप चल सकते थे, यू कुड रन, यू कुड यू नो जस्ट बी आउट इन शॉर्ट्स, नॉन जजमेंटल। बैंड्रा वाज वेरी दैट। टुडेज बैंड्रा I don't know actually, but it's very cute. It still has another chance. Like you said, so many cafes. People can at least hang out, people can meet. So, the Bandra that I grew up in was with playgrounds.
Wow.
Yeah, so I constantly walked in Bandra. So,
I think it has some beautiful lanes
yes,
also.
yes.
But अब हम देखते हैं कि छोटे
कम
छोटे
है, हाँ, और
कैफेज
बहुत मतलब ट्रैफिक बहुत ज़्यादा है, and it's blocked every blocked every road. Like I feel sometimes I live at Worli now. From Worli to Bandra to reach my mom's house is a bigger struggle than to reach anywhere else
Oh
sometimes.
my God. But अगर मैं पूछूं आपका बचपन कैसे बीता आपके घर पर, मम्मी पापा के साथ क्या रिश्ता था, कैसे गया?
I would say कि हम एक बहुत क्लोज फैमिली है, सो एवरीथिंग वाज डन टुगेदर। एक डिसीजन जो था, मतलब व्हेन आई वाज इवन बिकमिंग एन एक्टर, वाज अबाउट टुगेदरनेस। एंड so I came from a very middle class family. My parents were always with me. My brother was a very big support even till today. And we had 2 dogs, which was pretty much our life, and like it was a family.
Yeah.
The dogs included. It was not like, you know, one of those. I remember that when I used to go to shoot in Hyderabad, someone from my family would come to pick me up. And it wouldn't be a driver, it wouldn't be, you know, me taking Ubers. It would either be my brother driving and coming to pick me up, or my dad driving and coming to. So some days I miss those days because it was just so organic, so sweet and so small that you're just a unit. Like breakfast जो था हम लोग के घर में, it was a big deal. मतलब we had to sit together for breakfast. Breakfast table was a big deal. So so I came from a home of lot of love, a lot of personal attention, no extra help, no, you know, not too much of that, and very progressive. My dad always told me, you're a girl, but you're worth what you are worth, so don't compare yourself to any boy.
At that time, I mean,
Yes.
When did you become close to your brother, if I may ask you? Because sibling bond is something.
No, always. Me and my brother, actually, I didn't have my own room or anything. Me and my brother shared a room till I was quite old, 20, 21. And I remember when my parents said that now have your own rooms, we hated it. The first 10 days, we still stayed in each other's room. So I had a very close bond, and I still have a very close bond with my brother. We were never taught that we are two separate people. We were a team. So that's my relationship.
Now when I think about it, that's so opposite to what you and Pratik Babbar shared.
Yeah, but you know, strangely, even in that we were a team, which he misses out that Aditi is no more part of his life.
Yeah. And then it hits that he misses his sister. But I feel एक middle class family के लिए जो इतनी grounding है और humbling है, आपके जहन में कैसे आया कि मुझे एक्ट्रेस बनना है, साउथ जाना है? आई फील फॉर अ फैमिली इट्स सॉर्ट ऑफ सो न्यू।
नहीं, मुझे तो एक्ट्रेस बनना ही नहीं था। आई डिडंट वांट टू बी एन एक्टर। फिल्म्स एक करियर ऑप्शन नहीं था। It just wasn't a career option at all. It was, I was at college, someone picked me up from there saying this, and I mean, it's a long story, but it wasn't something that I set out to do. It happened. I just had a lot of support, and I think middle class upbringing is my superpower. I honestly feel
Why
that.
Why do you say that?
Because आपको सब पता है, you know, when you're middle class, you know the value of money, you know the value of an opportunity, you know the value of people being nice, not nice. You know it. You can see it at that thing. You know what it means to work hard.
Yeah.
I think that is something that is my like it's honestly being middle class is my superpower. मुझे एक understanding है कि you know how a normal middle class girl would behave. I'm not trying to act that. I've lived my whole life being that. You know, so of course you come like on the way you develop praises, and I'm very grateful to God that I did. But I think having a middle class upbringing is the best thing I've ever had.
But you know, it's very interesting because you say that because जब भी कोई middle class होता है, we always aim to be a higher class.
Yes, I also did, I think, at some level. I remember when I was introduced to the world of brands, you know, then I thought it was a necessity. I thought it was a sign of status that if you're holding a Louis Vuitton or if you're holding a Gucci, and people would make you believe, like they would look at you if you're holding a cool bag, and which is really nice, but it's not like a high-end brand. They would look at you and be like, you know, she's not cool.
Yeah.
But I'm glad that thinking has changed. Today, though, I don't buy brands except for athleisure and sports shoes, you know. I only shop in India. I love Indian brands. I think they're doing some great work. Like